suggest that we do this another day?
Maybe. Because I feel bad about this.
I can't even begin to imagine what we shall go through.
This can't easy for David.
My sentiments exactly. Tonian, you go say it to her.
Alright.
Don't say nothing to her. She good.
But whisper.
Just hear me I say. She good. One thing I know about her, she's a warrior. And she dedicated to the work.
But all our ever breaking points in a Chris?
I know that. But this is not fair breaking point. She did prepare for this. She just need a moment. I could give her that. She called here for a reason.
Mr. Mullins created this agency, and agency members with family values. Because you know at some point in time, we're going to need a strong support system. Which is why it make Tonian and Celine settle them differences, especially as two women in a male-dominated profession. Listen. To bring criminals to justice and to protect our identity, sometimes we have to lie to the ones we love. That is why we bond half is strong. You understand? Honestly, what me I go through right now, it's not easy. Because this is more than losing a partner. This is losing a team member. Per my watch.
Bossy, I don't mean to cut you, but you can't blame yourself for this. Remember, him is a man where did always choose to work by himself without a backup.
The records are going to show say he was a part of this team. And we weren't able to help when him get catch. So let me make this clear. Any other assignment that is given, nobody goes deep without an extraction plan. Is that clear?
Copy that.
Clear.
Understand.
Now, let's get to reports and planning. Celine?
Yeah, so far we have taken in one person for questioning and it has led to two arrests.
Buyers?
Yes, regular androids for resale, but we're trying to get to the ones who are buying the bangers because that's the one they're using to do the scamming.
Good job, agency. Stay on it and keep me posted.
Definitely will. I have one lead so far.
Great. Tonian?
Our mole is working and we're getting positive reports.
And he reports back to the center on time every day?
Yes, except one day last week.
What happened?
Him suspect said Chaser follow him and want to know where him stay.